Well, hey guys, I'm gonna have to go to the gas station. I got it moved. You can see I got the machine moved. I got the wood up there by the house. Got a log on. I don't know if somebody came through and stole my gasoline out of my tank, but it was half full yesterday, and I went to go start it today, and there was no fuel pumping up into the fuel filter. So I don't know if somebody came through here and siphoned my gas out of my tank or what, but there was no fuel in this machine at all today or this morning. So alrighty, well, I got to get the side covers off. I need to get a blade on there, get it all set back up, and get this baby cut down into a big cant, and then I will start taking boards out of it until I get down to my 6x7 cant, or slat, or skid, or whatever you want to fucking call it. Alrighty, I'll be back. These rounds, these little round things, they're gonna be outdoor coasters. Ooh, this is gonna take me a little while to cut this big old boy. and it's got some really cool grain to it. Oh, and we got carpenter ants. Carpenter ants in there. Alrighty, guys. Oh yeah, look at all those ants. Oh. Those big carpenter ants, man. They fucking put, when they bite you, they got a little bite to them. But you can see in real life how they would get in there, you know, they would go through there. So, what's up, buddy? Alrighty, now I need to, I'm gonna quit the video so I can get this on the ground and then re-lift it up there and put the flat on the deck and then do a couple of runs and then flip it up against there and then do a couple of runs and then flip it again so I can get a square cant. So I'll be back when I get a square cant out of this. Hey guys, got that log all done. I went down and took 2 gas cans with me, filled the machine up, filled 2 gas cans up, spent about $55 in gasoline on this machine. Filled this tank up on here. I've got some boards there, and then I've got my one skid, and then I got these boards here. So I'm gonna take these up, come back, grab another board or a log, grab another log, stick it on there, and just keep on going, you know? Alrighty, there's a board. Alright, now I need to rotate this and put that flat edge on the bed and do some more cuts and then rotate it up, and I'll be back. Well, hey guys, I marked out my 6x7 cant. I don't know if you can see that. Black lines, 6x7 cant, and then everything else around it will be into boards. So I gotta measure. I use this, I measure down ½ inch or an inch, and then I'll draw a line across, and then I'll make lines where I want boards and stuff like that. So alrighty, I'll be back. Man, I should have been recording that one. Almost to the end. Almost to the end. And the fucking blade broke. And I just put that on there this morning. Oh, great. It's always something, isn't it? Now I need to back this all the way out, put a new blade on it, or a different blade, and then push it back up here and cut it. That's what fucking happens though, you know? Alrighty, gotta get this done. Well, hey guys, I got that other log done. I got 3 more posts I'm gonna take up, and then I'm gonna come back and get that other large pine log and get it up here. And I got a bunch of other wood that I was able to get out of that one big pine log, so I'll be able to use that in the shed somewhere. So alrighty, let me get this done. Well, got another pine log on here, and this one's got a lot of little nubs all over it. I'm gonna have to watch out for that. So, alrighty, let me get to slabbing this one up. Well, hey guys, it's 5:30. Time for me to stop. I got my last skid for my shed, 7x6. took the machine up there because I was done with it. But anyways, I got all this here and all this here that I can use on the shed. So yeah, my goal this week, this is a big goal for me, is to mill up all this pine, all this. Mill up all of this pine for my shed. It goes all the way over there. So I need to mill all of these and all of those. So yeah, I'm gonna be pretty busy this week milling all this and all of that up by myself and stuff. So stay tuned for that, because tomorrow morning I'll be starting with that big old, that one right there. Oh, I'm pooped. Holy shit. Like, there's a lot of pine logs right here. There's pine logs back there. And from there, all the way down, those are all pine logs. And they've been there for, God, 6-7 years now. So, yeah. And then these are oak. I need to get those done when I get all the pine done. So yeah, I'm gonna be a busy motherfucker this week. I'm not gonna be working on any small engine stuff or anything like that. I want to get all this pine milled up for my shed. So, alrighty. Well, you guys have a good night.